Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for a blanket to cover your plants during those cold winter months, then check out this 2-pack from Refasen. These frost blankets are amazing. First of all, they are huge, which allows me to cover multiple pots under one blanket. The zipper is very easy to use, and the drawstring ensures that the debris stays out. These are lightweight yet breathable. They've withstanded rain and snow and even windstorms in my area. These frost blankets ensure that your plants are cared for during the cold months. They even have a cute snowman. They do come in a multiple pack and do have other size options. So if you're looking for some blankets to cover your plants during those cold months, then I highly recommend this 2-pack from Refasen. And that's my point of view.